Hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Alright, some of you asked for it. We got some new from CRKT. That's right, the Pilar III is here on the channel. Now, before we take a look at that wonderful little blade, as you guys know, CRKT always, oh hey, look at that, back-to-back videos with the same one. They always include propaganda for something I want you to take a look at or possibly buy. This time it's the Chance in Hell Machete. Alrighty guys, now we have brought a lot of the Pilars to the channel. Take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for every single affordable everyday carry blade we've ever brought. You're going to find 2 of them in there and some other great stuff by Jesper Voxness. And God, I hope I said his name right. Okay, this is the 3rd version of the Pilar. Now, I love the fact that he took the name from, I believe it was Hemingway's beloved boat. So I think that's really cool. I got the other ones, so I figured, okay, let's bring this guy in. Fits great in the hand. I love the basic black on silver look. The only thing I don't like is not having another scale on the backside. I am a fan of scale them both. You know, that's just how I feel. Seriously? Okay, hold on. I'm going to check something. That makes no sense. Alright, that's what I'm talking to about right there. I really didn't know anywhere that it has the IKBS system, which makes no sense because there's only one way to get it open. But we'll get there in just a moment. Alright, let's get into the stats, the fun stuff like we always do. Now, it's got an overall length of about 7.25 inches. The blade is roughly 3, and I do like that little finger choral up there that lets you get in just a little closer for work. Enclosed, it's about 4.25. It comes in at about 3.60 ounces. It's done, now they called it a drop point style in some areas, and some other areas it's been called a spear point. So I'm going to let you make up your mind on that one. It does have a flat grind with a plain edge, as you can see. It does have a satiny finish to it, which you guys know I just love those in stonewash finishes on my channel. Now, there are 2 versions of this one available. This one is HCR 13 MOV, and the more expensive option has D2 steel. Sorry, I went with the HCR just because, well, I have no problem with that blade steel. I don't. We do have a stainless steel frame with a frame lock. We've got 1 black G10 scale. Now it has a 1-position pocket clip, which is basically right-hand carry, tip up. And there's only one way to open this, and that's what caught me off guard because it's just the thumb hole open. But every time I see that little symbol right there, that means the IKBS system is part of that blade. But that just makes no sense because you can see it right through there. There is no IKBS system in here. But anywho, I may be wrong. You know what? It has happened before on the channel, right? And as you can see, we do have a lanyard hole. And in case you're wondering, yes, it is made in China. Okay, so time for those wonderful cut tests that we love to do here on the channel. We do 3 basic ones, and if you want to know why I'm doing these, take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for why I do my cut tests. First up, as always, heavy-duty stock paper. Oh, yeah. So I get that curly cue. Trying too hard, I guess. Story of my life. Oh, well, we got a little one. That's kind of what it should do, especially like right up there in the beginning, where it's kind of curling back in on itself. That lets you know there's really no microabrasions or anything wrong with the blade, but man, look at that snowfall of paper. Whoo. Okay. Someone needs to be strapped. Alrighty, paracord. Pull test. Oh, wow, right through it. Dang. Alright, now let's go for a 2-chord slice. Oh yeah, no problem. And yes, Mr. Ratchet Strap is back, ready to be cut on. Alright. Yeah, right through it, no problem. As we usually do, well, it looks like Mr. Ratchet Strap really cleaned up that snowfall. Man, that was weird, but still. Okay, now I did the homework and all the fun pricing and all that great stuff on March 21st, 2021. I'm also filming this video on, March 2nd, 2021, not March 21st. March 2nd, 2021. I'm filming this one on March 3rd, 2021. God, I need sleep or more caffeine. I'm really not sure which. I took a look on Amazon, CRKT, and Blade HQ. On Amazon, it's $41.77 for the HCR13 MOV. I did not see the D2 option available. It is Prime eligible. On CRKT, it's going to run you $59.99. In Blade HQ, $38.95. 0 reviews across the board because this thing is new by CRKT. Alright, now we're at the part of the video that I love the most. Seriously, I love doing this for these videos because I think the comment section is some of the best joy ever. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, everything right down below. Do you think she's a nice or an F-bomb? A nice or an F-bomb? I like it. I'm glad to have it in the collection. I like it. I probably will enter it into my everyday carry rotation. And yes, at some point I'm going to go back to filming those monthly videos on what I'm carrying. I just got sidetracked for the last couple months and I got to get my game back, you know? But still, for you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know we do things differently here on the channel, and I'm grateful for the time that you gave me today. Now, for you first-time viewers on my channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, why not? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below why you haven't subscribed yet. Let's see what we can do to change that and, change the course of history of the channel. Now, if you guys have done all that fun stuff, I know I'm asking for an awful lot, right? Take a look right down here. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we all know and love on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube's going to select from my current catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the CRKT Pilar III. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're having a safe day. And we'll see you in our next video.